Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube mini-series on Sudsies Couture services. We hope that you enjoy this presentation and find it useful.
Next is spot testing the fabric. Before proceeding, it's essential to spot test the fabric in a discrete area to ensure it can handle steam treatment without any damage. This precautionary step helps prevent potential discoloration or distortion that could occur from direct exposure to steam. For instance, delicate fabrics like silk or wool may react differently to steam, requiring careful testing to avoid unwanted outcomes. By spot testing first, Sudsies can confidently proceed with the steam treatment, knowing we've minimized the risk of adverse effects on your cherished clothing items. This simple precaution ensures that each garment receives the appropriate care tailored to its specific fabric type, maintaining its quality and longevity.